50, so you can see it's quite fast. It doesn't have to be slow. Okay, so I'm at 100. I'm going to undo the bows. And unroll. And I'm going to go through the process of taking the net off of my felt because I don't want the net to be included in my felt. So this is a slow process, but it is important. So as you can see, I'm peeling back very, very slowly as I did before, and I'm making sure that I'm removing the fibres from the net as I'm going along. So it's a slow process, and this is starting to felt very, very well. The alpaca is felting very, very well. Very quickly. And that's only with a very, very light rolling action. Okay, so once I've taken it off, I can just pull it out slightly. It's already starting to form into a fabric. I'm just going to pull it out so that I don't have any folds in my fabric. I can also start to shape the ends a little bit if I want to. I'm going to leave them raw as they are. So I'm going to lay this back over the top. And this time I'm going to go in this direction. So I'm going in a clockwise direction. So in this direction, roll up again. I might put just a little bit more water on there. Some of it has been absorbed by the towel, which is normal. And I want to try and keep it warmish. So I'm going to roll this way. Tie up again. And the alpaca is actually felting quite quickly, which is really good. So I'm going to now do another 100 rolls, and this time I'm going to put a tiny amount of pressure. So the first 100 was hardly anything at all, and now a little bit of pressure, and I'm going to roll 100 times.